Hello guys, it's Vanny. Real talk lang. Mas okay mag-isa kaysa paulit-ulit na niloloko, di ba? Remember, rejection is redirection. So love yourself. Kasi you are worth more than broken promises. Alam mo, minsan mahirap talaga kapag paulit-ulit tayong nasasaktan o niloloko. Pero tandaan natin, don't let the pain define you. Oo, nasaktan ka, pero hindi ibig sabihin na mahina ka, kundi marunong ka lang magmahal ng totoo. Every heartbreak is a lesson, at hindi ito failure. Isipin mo na binibigyan ka lang ng life training to become strong. Kung paulit-ulit ka ng niloloko, remember this: you are not someone option. Ikaw ay worth ng loyalty at respect, kaya wag kang magsettle for less. Pain is temporary, pero self-love is forever. Habang may taong hindi marunong magpahalaga, ikaw naman dapat matutong mas mahalin ang sarili mo. Sometimes, rejection is redirection, hindi lose, kundi God's way of protecting you from someone not meant for you. You are not broken. You are becoming. Kahit ilang beses ka masaktan, each time you heal, you evolve into a stronger and wiser version of yourself. Healing takes time, pero tandaan, hindi ikaw ang mali dahil nagmahal ka. Ang mali, yung taong hindi marunong magpahalaga sa'yo. Mas okay mag-isa kaysa paulit-ulit na niloloko. Hindi ka mahina dahil nasaktan ka. Strong ka kasi nakatayo ka pa rin. Kung di ka niya kayang pahalagahan, hindi ka niya deserve. Pain doesn't break you, it builds you. Hindi ka option, ikaw ay priority dapat. Healing is self-love, kaya wag madaliin. God removes people for a reason. Trust the redirection. Minsan magmahal ka, pero wag mong kalimutang mahalin din ang sarili mo. Each heartbreak makes you wiser, not weaker. Tandaan mo, you are worth more than broken promises.